Hey there, quick overview of the LDX120 drill driver by Black Decker. This drill is going to come with a 1.5 amp hour 20 volt battery. That is an ideal size battery for around the home tasks. Nice affordable price point with that. Pops on and off of the tool really easily. Also included is going to be the wall charger. Plugs into the wall very simply, and then you just slide the battery on. And it's got some LED indicator lights telling you whether it's charging or green for charge. With these 20 volt drills, it's a nice amount of power. With this drill, there's just one speed setting. You don't have adjustable speed. Forward and reverse control right by your thumb and index finger, easy to switch back and forth. Also, LED light on the front here so you can see what you're doing whenever you're in dark places. This drill has your standard drill setting as well as 10 clutch settings. Chuck works nicely. And trying out the clutch here. That's ideal. If you're putting in screws, you don't want to strip them out. The clutch setting is ideal for that. Another really handy feature, there's a nice bit holder back here so you can have a drill bit combo with your Phillips and flathead on the drill at all times. These Black Decker drills are a really nice value, great for a homeowner who just needs a drill for some basic tasks around the house. You can get a good drill for a very low price point that's going to get the job done. Not really designed for professional use, but for around the house or somebody starting out, this is going to be a great option. This would also be a great gift idea.